I've heard it 1,000 times before. Come with me, I'm what you've been looking for. I've heard it break over and over again. They're hard when I tell them I don't wanna be more than friends. I've heard nothing quite like this before. They say he's exactly what I've been looking for. I've heard about sightless dates, yeah, but something inside of me can't help but hesitate. Should I say no, or just take this slow? If I go to coffee at 5, there's no hiding in the middle of daylight. If I go, tell me